Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Jackie, and on my channel I try to come up with quick, easy, and delicious recipes that the whole family will enjoy. So today I'm making a shrimp boil, and I've added onions and sweet potatoes and regular potatoes, and this was a big hit in my house. So stay tuned for the recipe. Okay, so I have here 4 yellow fleshed potatoes that I've already washed really well, 4 garlic cloves, a half an onion that I've chopped in 4, about 2 pounds of shrimp with the shells left on, and 1 sweet potato. So I'm just going to roughly chop up these potatoes. I'm cutting off the ends of the sweet potato that I've already washed really well because I'm going to keep the skin on here. And again, I'm going to chop these up pretty big. I'm trying to be careful here because sweet potatoes are a bit harder to cut than regular potatoes, and I don't want to lose a finger here. Now I'm going to season the shrimp. This is 2 teaspoons of oregano, about 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of pink Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and this is a spice called garam masala. It has coriander, cumin, cloves, nutmeg, and black pepper. I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of this, and I'm going to drizzle on a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm just going to mix this all together really well. I'm keeping the shells on the shrimp because they're going in the oven for a much longer time than usual, and I don't want them to dry out and get rubbery. The shells are going to protect them and keep them nice and moist. Now I'm adding the potatoes and sweet potatoes to this bowl, and I'm going to season them with the same ingredients as what I used on the shrimp. I'm going to use about half a teaspoon of each. And this is about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to mix it all up and make sure that everything is nicely coated. I have a large baking dish here, and I'm going to line it with some foil. And now I'm going to add a little bit of all the ingredients to their own foil packages. So this is 3 pieces of potatoes, 1 chunk of onion, 1 clove of garlic, about 8 shrimp, and 2 pieces of sweet potato. And I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of butter in here and drizzle on a little more olive oil. And I'm folding this up nice and tight. This pan was able to hold 3 of the foil packages, and this recipe is going to make about 5, so I'll do the rest in a separate pan. This is going in the oven on 375 degrees for about 45 minutes, or until the sweet potatoes are fork tender. The sweet potatoes will take the longest to cook, so that's why you're testing those first. And here you have it. This is a delicious Friday night or weekend dinner idea with very little fuss and almost no cleanup. All the juices from the shrimp really get into those potatoes and make them taste so good. And the garlic and onions are tender and sweet. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time, take care.